This is my version of a takeaway style Chinese chicken curry with juicy pieces of chicken, lovely big chunks of onion, a hint of Chinese 5-spice and a little bit of creaminess from the milk. So let's get cooking. I've got 3 large chicken breasts in my bowl here that have been sliced into thick strips. And to that I'm going to sprinkle over a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch in the US, a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. And then toss all that together until the chicken's evenly coated. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Add the chicken and cook, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes until lightly browned all over. Now we're going to add in a large onion that's been sliced into nice chunky strips and cook that, stirring occasionally for about 2 minutes. Next in goes 2 minced cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to cook that for about 2 minutes, stirring often. Add in 480 ml or 2 cups of chicken stock. Stir it all together and bring to the boil and then simmer it for 5 minutes. By now that chicken should be cooked through, and we're going to stir in 100 grams or 3/4 cup of frozen peas and 60 ml or 1/4 cup of full fat milk. Let that simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes until the peas are cooked. If you'd like to thicken the curry, we can add in a cornflour slurry, which is a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Slowly pour that in while stirring until the sauce thickens. I love to serve this aromatic and vibrant Chinese curry over some egg fried rice with some prawn crackers. And that's my 30-minute Chinese takeaway style chicken curry with those delicious iconic flavours. A lovely mild curry that the whole family will love.